Ki khubor ka Batesi TV
ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian Rupa Premium Meghalaya Net Foodish Ordar mapi Minwan Ramangi Hakerdob Ying Jongpi
Kenoyalam jeng NPP ka Dr. Ampareen Lingdo ke belong ru ke Menteri jeng Sarkar Jela kala kentu kenoyalam jeng ke Sengking Atyar nyodrep National Liberation Council bandungno syaka jilli jeng Saiñpyrthei babat ajumut syaka Sarkar Henry Ombanju Kyrhuh tanah Khlaw na Batam kini ke jeng kentho jeng Dr. Ampareen kelong halor ke jeng keno barang syen da ke Hnlc bagi NPP kalong ka Atyar jeng kipat Garo da babu hakman yagi lightly kemat jeng dawa bakin thop yagi jeng bujili yo menteri rang ba kanawan ailar yagi jeng long nongilam hapen yagi lightly jai bendre ko jela Meghalaya.
What happens in government? Come and play the elections. Please contest these elections. Come. Be in position while you give your opinions. I mean, what is this diktat? I don't understand what they mean. I have not seen the statement myself. But you cannot continue to be a bogus player again and again. Come to the field. Nothing stops you from contesting any election. Or are you in cohort with some party? Which is this political party that you're supporting? Let us know. May as well tell the people straight then. XYZ group wants to be in combination with XYZ party. I mean, if people didn't vote for the NPP in the MLA, that's not our problem. But you need the numbers in the assembly. I mean, without the numbers, who's saying what? Right now, we're at a good number. I mean, people are forgetting that we now have one MLA from West, one MLA from Riboy. Are people forgetting that this has happened? NPP is now at 32, so we are no longer Kasis. I mean, what is this nonsense? Do not infuse this communal mindset. We have to unite to fight collectively against the oppressor. Do not oppress us further and divide us further. I am confident. The NPP is a pan-Meghalaya party. Pan-religion. We have no favorite or we do not favor any religious organizations. We serve the people of the state of Meghalaya. We will respect all religion. We will respect all communities. We have one agenda in common. Let's fight this, strengthen ourselves, and have a firm voice with the government of India so that they start listening to what our needs are. That is what we need. You cannot have a proxy election from some distant location. You have to file your nomination and come to the field and fight an election. Then only will you be in position to talk. I think you see all dialogues across the world. Nobody goes from some remote location and dictate on anyone. Those diktats always have resulted negatively. Wars have been fought because of those conflicts. Are we forgetting what's happening in Manipur? Our own neighbor? Do you want to see something like that? I don't think this is a positive way forward. I appeal to the people of Meghalaya. We have always been trendsetters. Coalition politics first started in the state of Meghalaya as early as 1974. Don't forget that. We are maestros. I just hope that we will all be able to work when the elections are over. We have to be able to leave our political affiliations aside. What is my Honorable Chief Minister saying? Honorable Chief Minister leaves one message for the people of the state of Meghalaya. We will not favor, but we will be inclusive. You go and find out if not 80% of schemes that Honorable CM is serving to the people of the state, are they all supporters of NPP? Go find out. Do your homework. He's a very balanced individual. And it doesn't matter. We are Meghalians first. I'm proud to be from the state of Meghalaya. I honor being a Khasi. But I am proud to be a Meghalayan. And I will first fight for the people of my state and not take sides like this. It's not done. And I will not listen to any diktat coming from some remote jungle. No. You come forward and talk to us.